name is Quinton Monroe and I'm a student in the Medical Lab Technology program at CVCC. I recently graduated from UVA and I was looking for careers because I studied biology. I applied for some positions at the lab in Charlottesville and ended up speaking to a education coordinator, and she pointed me to MLT programs in the area, and that's how I stumbled upon CVCC's program. I actually did a 2-year program where my last 2 years of high school were the first 2 years of college through CVCC, and I ended up taking general biology, and that's when I realized that I had a love for biology. I excelled in the class and didn't really study or do anything, and ended up getting an A, and that's what led me to decide to study biology. So because I studied biology, a lot of the processes we did in labs during my course of studies, they aligned with this, and then I also wanted to originally go to PA school. So this is my segue into the medical field while also retaining my biology background. So we do a lot of diagnostic work and figuring out different things that lead to clinical significance for patients. We'll take either samples from any type of area in the body and analyze it and figure out what that could mean for the patient's health and how we can help with their diagnosis and treatment. It directly helps with identifying problems within patients and what the best course of action to resolve those problems are. It's more scientific and behind the scenes, so it's a great way to be in the medical field without necessarily having to interact directly with patients while also contributing greatly to the success of their treatment. If I were to switch out of a clinical lab just into any type of lab setting, and because it's such a versatile field, I could go anywhere in the country. A lot of the things I've done in this lab, I did at UVA and had no idea that there's an entire field dedicated to it. And if anyone should be entering the field, it's probably biologists and chemists, and it's something that I've not heard about in my entire education of biology. I think anyone who has the desire to learn and help patients and also loves being hands-on while also using a lot of science and technology skills is someone who's excellent for the position, especially if you love biology.